A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to reasoning class. So take out your reasoning book and notebook. Open page number 41. Chapter 4. Odd one out. This one. Take out chapter number 4. Odd one out. Page number 41. Write down today's date in your book over here, that is 11 to 21. Okay? Write down the date 11 to 21. So, shall we start with our work? Look. Look what is written. How to find the odd terms amongst the given term. Means हम लोग अपने odd terms को कैसे find करेंगे? Put the things or term in a category. Category can be divided on the basis of shape, size, properties of geometrical figure, number, quantity, etc. One-to-one correspondence. In this, students match one object to another object or person. Now look, odd one out. Okay, suppose आप odd one out को कैसे find out करोगे? अभी मैम आपको बताएगी आप odd one out को किस तरीके से find out कर सकते हो. उनकी series देखिए on the basis of their shapes, size, geometrical figures, numbers. Okay. So shall we start? Look, we are starting with question number 1. Okay. Look, come to the exercise. This exercise we will do in book only. Okay. No need to do this exercise in notebook. Understood? Just take out your pencil and remember your pencil should be sharp. Okay. So now write down today's date over here 11 to 21. Okay. So shall we start? Okay beta. Look. And the question number 1. First of all, read down the direction 1 to 21. What you have to do from question number 1 till question number 21, you have to find the odd one out. Okay. Look at the first question. In first question, what is this? Look. A cup, a tea of cup is there, glass is there, and C1 is also a glass, D1 is water. Yes or no? So, can you tell me that which one is odd in this question number 1? Can you tell me? Look, this cup is also open from upside, yes or no? This cup is open from one side. Look at the B option. This glass is also open from one side. In C, this glass is also open from one side. But D, bottle is closed. It is having a cap. Yes or no? It is having a cap or not? Yes. It means which one is odd? D. So take the first one, D. Take it out. Now, come to second one. What is this? Look at the second question. In first one, there is a bag. Yes or no? Second one, racket. Third one is cap. And D1 is hockey stick. So, bag is what? Sport equipment. Racket is also a sport equipment, and hockey stick is also a sport equipment. It means all option A, B and D are the sports equipments. Yes or no? But C is not. So C1 is odd. And take the C1, second C. Tick करिए. Now come to third one. Come to look at the third one. Look at the first one. What is this? Guitar. Yes or no? What is this? Musical instrument. Number B, harmonium. It is also a musical instrument. And number C, piano. It is also a musical instrument. Number D is speaker. So in option A, B and C, these are the musical instruments which we use to play with our hand. Yes or no? With our finger. In guitar we use our finger. Yes or no? And in harmonium we use our finger. And in piano also we use our fingers. So, but in speaker we don't use our finger. Yes. So, number D, it is odd. So, in third one, B1 is odd. Okay. Now, come to fourth question. Look at the first. What is this? Book. What is this? Book. Number D, newspaper. Number D is newspaper. Yes or no? Yes. Number C is television. And number D is mobile phone. Yes or no? Number D is mobile phone. So, here book is used to reading. Number B, newspaper, television and mobile phone are media operator. Yes or no? What are they? They are media operator. We get news from them. Yes, we get daily updates from newspaper, television, phone. Yes or no? But from book we get knowledge. Okay. So which one is, can you get the daily updates from book? No. It means fourth one, A is odd. Okay. Now come to question 5th. Look, what is this? Here first one is pencil. What pencil is used for? Pencil is used for writing. Yes or no? Option B, eraser. Eraser is used to erase something. Okay. Now, another one is pen. Pen is also used for writing, and D1 is also a pen. Stylish pen. So, it is also used for writing. It means pencil, and both the pen is used for writing. But eraser is used for erasing the things. Yes or no? So which one is odd? 5th, eraser. Okay, it means B1 is odd. Now come to 6th question. First one is sandwich. What is first one is sandwich. B1 is burger. Do you like burger? Yes. But no need to eat daily because it is a junk food. Now come to C1. It is a pizza. Yes. Now D1 is can. Okay. So look, which one is odd? Sandwich, burger, pizza are edible things. Means हम लोग इसको खा सकते हैं. But क्या हम लोग कोल्ड ड्रिंक को खा सकते हैं? No. कोल्ड ड्रिंक को क्या करते हैं? ड्रिंक. ओके, इट मीन्स ऑप्शन डी इज ऑड. सो राइट डाउन इन सिक्स्थ वन D. Now come to seventh one. Look at the seventh one. A. One figure is given that is made from curved line. किससे बना हुआ है ये फिगर? कर्व लाइन से. यस और नो? एंड आप देखो उसमें वन साइड ओपन है. यस और नो? देखिए. नाउ कम टू B1. दिस इज ऑल्सो मेड विथ कर्व लाइन. ये किस चीज से बना हुआ है? कर्व लाइन से. एंड वन साइड से ओपन है. यस और नो? यस. नाउ कम टू C1. क्या ये फिगर कर्व लाइन से बना है? नो. ये फिगर किस चीज से बना है? स्ट्रेट लाइन से. एंड देयर इज अ नो ओपनिंग पार्ट. कोई ओपनिंग पार्ट है? नहीं. नाउ कम टू D1. दिस फिगर इज ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ कर्व लाइन. किससे बना हुआ है? कर्व लाइन से. एंड वन ओपनिंग साइड इज ऑल्सो देयर. इट मीन्स ऑप्शन A, B and D is made up of curved line and has one side open. Okay, it means option C is odd. So, in seventh one, write down option C. Okay. Now, come to eighth question. Look at the eighth question. Here, some boxes are given. Here 5 boxes are given. Okay, look in this. In first one, there are 3 boxes that are green of color. How many boxes that are green of color? Okay, and number B, there are 4 boxes which are green of color and one is of white color. Now come to C1. In C figure, again here is 3 boxes that are green of color. And come to D1. Here in this figure also 3 boxes are of in D option, there is also a 3 box that is green of color. Understood? It means in option A, C and D, 3 boxes are of color and 2 boxes are of white color. It means which one is odd? Only option B is having 4 green boxes. It means option B is odd. So write down B. Okay, beta. Now come to ninth one. Look at the first figure. A circle is there. And how many parts? It is cut into 2 parts. Yes or no? One upside and one downside. It means circle is cut into 2 parts. Now come to B1. What is this? This is a rectangle. And rectangle is cut into how many parts? 3 parts. Yes or no? Look, rectangle is cut into 3 parts. And come to C1. This is also a rectangle and this rectangle is cut into 3 parts. Okay. Now come to figure B. What is this? This is a semicircle and this semicircle is also cut into 3 parts. Okay. So it means that option B, C and D. These are the figure which is having 3 parts. Yes or no? But in option A there is only 2 parts. It means option A is odd. So in ninth one, take the option A. Okay. Now come to question number 10. Look at the first figure. That green part. आपको दो फिगर बने, एक व्हाइट कलर का एंड एक ग्रीन कलर का. आप इसको नोटिस करोगे, सिर्फ ग्रीन कलर. ओके. लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन. आप 10th की फर्स्ट वाले फिगर को देखिए. हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर देयर इन ग्रीन पार्ट. ग्रीन पार्ट को उसको कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है? 4 पार्ट. यस, ग्रीन बॉक्स को 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है. यस. एंड question B, look at the option B. Again, in this figure, green part is divided into 4 part. Okay. Now come to option C. Again, this part, green color part, is divided into 4. Okay. And D1, this green color part is divided into how many sections? 3 sections. Yes or no? Look, only 3 sections are there. So it means option A, B and C, green part box is divided into 4 parts. Okay. But in D figure there is only 3 parts. So in 10th one, option D is correct. Tick it. Now come to question number 11. Look, what is there in question number 11? Option A. A smiley is there. Yes or no? Smiley is there or not? Yes. So look at this smiley. How many eyes are there? 2. In smileys, how many circles are there? 2. Okay. And option B, there is also a 2 circle. Yes or no? Yes. And in option C, in this flower, there is also a 2 circle. Okay. But in option D, no circle is there. Is there any circle? No. It means option D is odd. So in 11th one, take the option D. Okay. Now come to question number 12. A figure is given. Look at this figure A. How many triangles are there? Look, how many triangles are there in the figure 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In figure A, there are 5 triangles. Yes or no? Yes. And in option B, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many triangles? 7 triangles are there. And in option number C, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many triangles? 5. In option number D, how many triangles are there? 5. It means in option A, C and D, there are 5 triangles. But in option B, there are 7 triangles. Okay. So in 12th one, take the B. B1 is correct. Okay. Now come to question number 13. Come to question number 13. Again, question number 13 is same as question number 12. Look, in option A, how many triangles are there? There are 2 triangles. And in option B, how many triangles are there? Only 1 triangle. And in option number C, again there is 1 triangle. Okay. And in question number D, there is also 1 triangle. It means in option B, C, D, it is having 1 triangle. But in option A, there is a 2 triangle. It means कौन सा odd है? First one. A1. Okay. It means 13A. Come to 14. Come to 14th one. Do it this fast. Come to 14th one. Look, in option A, a figure is there that outside is also a circle and inside is also a circle. Yes or no? Yes. It means both are same. Now come to B1. Look, what is inside the box? Outside the box there is a square. Yes. And inside the box there is also a square. It means both are same. जो बेटा अंदर बॉक्स के है उसकी फिगर से हम लोग ने क्या किया है? बाहर की साइड को बनाया है. Yes. Now come to C1. Look, बाहर कौन सी शेप है? ट्राइंगल. Yes or no? देखिए आप अपनी बुक में ट्राइंगल है. Yes. And अंदर कौन सी शेप है? Cylinder. It means they both are different from each other. Okay. Now come to D1. Inside, look, outside there is a circle and inside there is a cone. But cone is having a circle like this. Cone is having a circle ना, it means इस circle से आपकी outside वाला figure draw हुआ है. Okay. But in question number C, in option C, आपका आउटर फिगर एंड इनर फिगर मैच नहीं कर रहा है. इट मीन्स 14C इज ऑड. सो राइट डाउन. कम टू 15th one. Look. From question number 15 till question number 18 you will do at your home. Okay. It means question number 15, 16, 17 and 18 is for homework. Do question number 15, 16, 17, 18 in your book. Okay. So from question number 1 I have done till question number 14. Your homework is to do question number 15, 16, 17, 18 and this work you have to do in your book itself. Okay. Understood everyone? So thank you. This is for today. We will start our exercise from next chapter. Okay. Okay. Thank you.